Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Tripnotes. It can be used to find various travel related information. So it is your intelligent travel planner. So you can plan your itinerary using this website. You can find out various places to eat from cab, food to have, places to see, all those things you can put in here. Let me put a location. Let me put in Moscow. Moscow City, Russia. Now you're asking me, let me put like best restaurant for a date. So I'm asking best restaurant for a date in Moscow. So it is generating that information. So now based on the result, it will show me Mandarin Combustible is a perfect spot for a romantic date. With its gilded ceilings, low lighting, and fresh pan-Asian cuisine that irresistible to a smart crowd. Plus, expertly crafted cocktails keep the atmosphere lively late into the night. So in this way, you will be able to get some particular information about travel. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.